So here's the first question you asked. An electric force of that acts between two charges, both of magnitude that. Calculate the distance between the two charges. Okay. Well, I'll get you started and I'll let you take it all the rest of the way. Electric force between two charges is given by K Q1 Q2 over R squared. Now, first thing I notice is both charges are identical. So as a shortcut, instead of having charge 1 times charge 2, since they're both identical, I can just do that. In fact, I can even get rid of the 1. I can just say, hey, it's a charge. There's 2 of them. Charge times charge is charge squared. And we want to get the distance, the radius of distance between them. We want to get this by itself. Well, we're dividing by r squared. That's the same as multiplying by r squared on this side. And multiplying by f is the same as dividing by f. In fact, we're going to get this. R squared equals k q squared over f. Then, how do I get rid of a squared? Well, I'm going to end up square rooting. So, it's going to be 9 times 10 to the 9th, 2 times 10 to the negative 10 squared, all divided by 7.19 times 10 to the 9th. I hope I copied this number down right. It seems big, but I think that's what you sent me in the email. That's just a really big force. Well, you know what? There's only one way to find out. Let's crunch the numbers. Nine times 10 to the 9th times 2 times 10 to the negative 10 all squared. Your calculator, you might have to put this in brackets. I don't know. I don't have to on my calculator. Divided by 7.19 times 10 to the 9th. And then I'm going to take the square root of that. They're pretty close together. They are separated by 2.24 times 10 to the negative 10 meters. 2.24 times 10 to the negative 10 meters. Second question. Again, the key idea is that both charges are identical. In fact, that's the only way I can do this question. Again, they're giving me an electric force, which is given by K Q1 Q2 over r squared. But again, since both charges are identical, it's really charge times charge, which is just that. And this time, they want me to find the magnitude of each charge. They want me to find Q. Once again, dividing by r squared, that's the same as multiplying by r squared on that side. And multiplying by k is the same as dividing by k. I get charge squared equals r squared times the force divided by k. And how do I get rid of a squared? I square root. So the magnitude of the charge is going to be the square root of 1 squared. Hey, that's easy math. I can do that in my head. 3.6 all over 9 times 10 to the 9th. It's going to be 1 squared. I'm not going to bother typing that because 1 squared is just 1 times 3.6 is just going to be 3.6 divided by 9 times 10 to the 9th. Square root of that. I think 2 times 10 to the negative 5th, yeah? Yeah. 2.0 times 10 to the negative 5th, and charge is measured in coulombs. There you go.